Yo guys, this is Cheese and welcome to this brand new video here on this channel. Today I'm going to show how you guys can record with the best settings of OBS here in this single video. I already made a video about this last year which had a lot of likes, a lot of views, as well as my streaming tutorial. If you want to see the streaming tutorial, I pinned it down below in the comments and it's also in the description. But have fun watching this video and this is gonna definitely help you out. Look at the quality guys, trust me, give it a like, have fun watching. Okay, so I just opened up OBS and this is what it looks like for me. Probably looks different for you guys because my screen is all dark and stuff. But I just think this looks better and it's better for my eyes to look at all day. So what we've got right here is scenes and sources, and that's very important. We're going to have a look at that right now. If you want to record something, first off, you got to make a scene. You just call it whatever, OBS. And in a scene, you can have sources. So what we want to add is a window capture or a display capture or a game capture if you want to capture games. We just want to capture our entire screen with this. So we're going with game capture. And as we click on it, you see it's capturing the screen we're looking at. So it like repeats itself all the time. But this is actually what you want. This is all you have to do to record your stream. But then we're going into the settings and I'm going to show you guys how to change your theme. Your OBS probably looks like this. I like to have them on dark, so I'm gonna just keep it on that. Then we're going into the OBS settings itself, so your guys' videos will look awesome. So from this general menu on, we're going to output because that's where the video output will be. It says streaming over here. We're not making a video about streaming right now. If you guys want me to make a video about streaming, let me know in the comments down below. But we're going to recording because we want to record the videos. The first thing you got to do is change this to advanced, because if it's on simple, you don't have a lot of choices. So just go to advanced and then you can make everything perfect for yourself. I put it on custom output, FFmpeg. That's where I got it on. Output it to a file. All the videos you record, they gotta go somewhere, you know. I got it at my hard drive. This is all in Dutch. Don't look at it. OBS recordings, and this is the map I am selecting for it. So let's select the map, and you see it says file path or URL. It's going to that map. So you don't have to be looking all around the computer for the videos. It just always goes to the same map, so you can replay it or upload it to YouTube. That's whatever you guys want. Container format, I always go for MP4 because that's the best quality. Then this is very important, video bitrate. I got it at 60,000. That's really a big overkill for most PCs. For a normal PC, I would say just put it on 10,000, 20,000, somewhere around that. For a beast PC like me, I could put it on 60,000. My PC can handle this, so for me, it's fine. I got this on 0. I don't have to rescale it because it's correct like this. And now we're going to the video encoder. Here you can use the graphics card you have in your PC, or maybe you don't have it in your PC. Graphics card, NVIDIA graphics card means that I have to select this one right here. If you got an AMD or AMD graphics card, I mean, you probably would see it standing somewhere over here as well. The audio bitrate has to be on 320 because there's like no reason to downscale your audio. Audio track on 1, and you go for audio encoder AAC. It's actually default. Something very important with your microphone is the sample rate. The sample rate has to be the same sample rate as your microphone is. And how do you want to check that? It's really easy. You go down here. You go here to sounds. Then you go to recording. And I've got a microphone right here, which is my webcam. You just go over here. You go to properties. You go to advanced. And it says 16000. So there's not really anything for that over here, but your microphone is not going to say that. It's probably going to say for 48,000. Maybe this one right here has it, 48,000. There you go, 48,000. This is the microphone I'm using right now, and it's DVD quality. Then you go for channels. This is on mono right now. I need it on both sides, the audio, so I will put it on mono stereo, put it on the left or on the right, and then you have to change it in the edit, and if you're streaming, it's at absolutely fill. So you have to put it on mono, or I should ignore all of these, just put it on mono. That's probably all you should do. If you want to record the audio of the computer itself, put the desktop audio device 1 on default, and then it will automatically, like you see over here, this will record the desktop audio. That's what it's called. I don't use all of these, so now we're going to video. And video, you just choose the pixels by pixels. I got it on 920 1080 because that's what full HD is. You guys want to record full HD, you should select it just like this. I got this on 32 samples. The sharpness scaling, it just looks very sharp if you do that. And these are the frame rates, so FPS values. I got it on 60 frames per second. I just leave the hotkeys like that because I don't really use hotkeys in OBS. And then we're going to advanced settings, and you see over here at general process priority, I've got it on high because of course my PC is beasting. If your PC is kinda just normal, just put it on normal. If it's pretty good, put it above normal, but for me, high is the standard to go with. Rendered, you got it on direct. It's just one thing. Just copy these settings. This is basically for the colors in your videos. This is for the best colors in your videos, so make sure to do that as well. Audio monitoring device, I don't know, I don't monitor my audio. These things are all default, and I all left it like that. So apply over here, and then you can go out of this screen and start recording your videos. You can start streaming over here. If you guys want to make a video about streaming, make sure to comment down below, and you can start recording right over there. So our scene is ready, our source is ready, our settings are ready. The only thing we have to do right now is start recording. So you click the start recording button over here, and you can drag this away, because we don't want to be recording this right here. This is just my background. It just drag things around a little bit. This is everything you have to do. You can just open up a game, program, whatever. You can just record the screen right here, and the audio is also in there. So now we're going to click on stop recording, and you will see that where I selected OBS source output, it's actually going to bring the video here, because you see it right here. This is the video I just recorded with it. You see the quality of it. It's really high, and this is basically just how it works. So this is how I record every single game video that I upload to YouTube, and the quality of all my videos actually are based on these settings. If you go to my channel and check out my gaming videos, you'll see that the quality is actually really high of these videos, and it's all done with the settings I showed you guys right here. So I really wanted to help out the community while making this video, so make sure to help me out as well by subscribing and pushing up that like button on this video. Any questions, you can leave them down below. I will try to answer them as fast as possible. Down below there are also links to my Instagram, to my Twitter, through my Facebook page. You can also follow me on all of these pages. You can also join my Discord server, which is in the description, and you can add me on Snapchat, because I also have Snapchat, and I do upload a lot of videos. So subscribing would be the nicest thing you can do. I'm uploading videos literally every single day. I'm uploading gaming videos, vlogs, reviews, tutorials. I'm doing live streams. I'm doing lots of things on my channel. I'm trying to grow my channel really big in 2019. Really going to do my best. If you're guys done watching this video, make sure to not just click away. Click on the next video of how to stream on OBS. I made a video about streaming settings for OBS for you guys that only have the video how to record, but you can also watch the video how to stream on OBS. I'll show you guys the best quality settings for OBS streaming, and I also explain you guys how to stream. So it's a really big video about how everything works. First off, I show you guys all the settings, and then I tell you guys how the streaming works. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was Cheese. Peace.